Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the English lecture. Today we will start some grammar, basic grammar. Okay. So today we are going to start parts of speech, collection of words. Okay. This is very basic and important topic of grammar. Parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds of classes according to their use or the work they do in the sentence. Fine. There are some nouns, there are some verbs. Then how they get divided and how to identify them, that we are going to learn in today's lecture. So let's start. Parts of speeches are of 8 types. You all are familiar with this. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. See children, these are very um, basic chapter, but still you all make mistake. That's why in 9th standard again I am I am taking this chapter, because I found that children still make mistake. Okay, so we'll start with noun. What is noun, children? Noun is a naming word. Okay, name of a person, thing, animal, place or an idea. There are many other types in the noun, okay, which we will learn in the next lecture. But today you just remember what exactly noun is. That is name of a person, thing, animal, place or an idea. Rahul, Seema, America, chair, house, committee. These all such things comes in the noun. Then later on you will divide them in common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun and so on. ठीक है, किसी भी इंसान का नाम हो या कोई पर्टिकुलर जगह हो तो हम उसे नाउन कहते हैं. He, she, these are pronouns. Let's see the example. Jinal is eating a banana. What is your name? Jinal. Jinal is eating a banana. So here Jinal will be your noun. We are talking about Jinal, so Jinal will be your noun. The sun was shining on the sea. What is noun over here, children? The sun. Sun will be the noun. Let's see more examples. My teacher is a very nice person. What is noun over here? Teacher is a noun over here. We are talking about a teacher. Teacher is a person. कोई एक personality है ना teacher वो. अगर इसकी जगह doctor होता तो doctor भी noun होता. Next one, Amy is going to go on holiday to China. Amy is the name of a person. So again it is a noun. Fine. Next is pronoun. Now you will ask me, teacher, what is pronoun? I know you know, but again a few children will ask me. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. See, if I am talking about a person or a thing, so I cannot keep on repeating the name of that particular person and that particular thing. Okay? अगर मैं किसी इंसान के बारे में बात करूँ तो बार बार उसका नाम लेकर हम बात करते हैं क्या? नहीं करते. So instead of that we use some other word, that is pronoun. So what are those examples? Pronoun used in the place of noun. Examples are I, you, it, we, them, those, are, yours. Fine. All such things comes in the pronoun. ठीक है. Suppose Rahul is a brave boy, but he is very careless. अब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि बार बार राहुल इज अ ब्रेव बॉय, राहुल इज केयरलेस, राहुल इज दिस, राहुल इज दैट. नो, इंस्टेड ऑफ राहुल आई एम यूजिंग he. Okay. Example, this is a chair. It is red. See, again I did not repeat the word chair. Instead of chair I used here it. Okay. Second one, I and he submitted our report. I and he submitted our report. So here what is pronoun? I, he and are. See, three pronouns are used over here. I is one pronoun, second is he and third one is O, U, R, are. I hope you all are getting what I am trying to explain. Next example, Becky is a very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. Here she. Next, you can visit the shopping center at 1 o'clock. So what? You is the pronoun which is used in this particular sentence. I hope you all have understood what is noun and pronoun. Chalo, next is adjective. This is also very, very important. Adjectives describe noun and pronoun. It describes, it gives the more information about the noun or the pronoun. किसी भी इंसान, जगह या चीज़ के बारे में जो शब्द ज़्यादा जानकारी देता है उसे कहते हैं एडजेक्टिव. दिस इज़ द वर्ड विच डिस्क्राइब्स इट. मतलब वो कैसा है, कहाँ है, वो चीज़ बताता है. फाइन. सपोज द एग्जाम्पल इज गर्ल हैज़ अ पिंक बैग. Okay, she has a bag, but what kind of a bag it is? Pink. समझ में आना? The boy is fat. Okay, boy कैसा है? Fat. Okay. More example. Fatima has a huge house with 6 bedrooms. What kind of a house it is? Huge house. Okay. One more example. Tina is the tall girl. What kind of a girl she is? Tall. She is a girl, but कैसी है? Tall. Fine. So this is adjective. Understood, children? Next, verb. Verb is very easy and very important. This is all 8 figure of speeches are important. All 8 parts of speeches are important. A verb shows action. Action words. See, from first standard we are learning this. Write action words. This is very important question and very easy question which we are doing from childhood. क्या रहता है वर्ब में? इट शोज एक्शन. यू कैन से वर्क, काम. वो शब्द जो काम दर्शाता है. सपोज एग्जाम्पल रन, ईट, वॉक, लिसन. ऑल दिस वर्ड्स कम्स इन दी वर्ब. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. सोफी ran to school because she was late. What is action word over here? Ran, भागना, दौड़ना. Next one. John loves to bake cookies. What is the action word? काम कौन सा हो रहा है? Baking का काम हो रहा है. So bake will be your verb. Okay. Okay. One more example I'll give you of verb. Rita dance nicely. So here what? Dance is the action word. Next is adverb. Adverb modifies verb, adjective and adverb. See, mostly जैसे कि हमने adjective देखा था, adjective क्या करता है? Describes the verb. Now you remember this. This modifies the verb. मतलब काम कैसा हो रहा. Adjective हमको बताता था कि noun कैसा है, और adverb हमको क्या बताता है कि काम हो रहा है, but कैसे हो रहा है. So let's see. Adverb. Sophie is always late for school. She is late, but when? Always. So always is giving us more information about the verb that is late. So here what will be the adverb? Always will be the adverb. Next one. Last night I slept really well. See, what is the verb over here? Sleeping is the work which is going on. Slept. So kab soye? Last night. So last night is the adverb over here. I hope you all are getting. Teacher told me to write neatly. Okay, teacher told me to write neatly. Writing is the work, but how it should be done? Neatly. So neatly will be your adverb. समझ में आ रहा है? She dances beautifully or gracefully. So mostly it comes in ly form. Okay, sometimes it shows the position, sometimes it shows the timing. Okay, teacher told me to stay out of the matter. स्टे आउट. तो स्टे आउट क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? एडवर्ब हो जाएगा. इसके भी बहुत सारे टाइप्स है. व्हेन वी विल लर्न ईच पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इन डिटेल, दैट टाइम you will come to know. Fine, but by the timing you just remember that this is a word which describes the verb. Fine. Next, preposition. If you will read this preposition, that means it shows the position of noun. ये क्या बताता है? देखो ना, preposition में ही position आ जाता है. Example: at, on, in, from, with, about, over, between, among, amongst. The shoes are below the table. अब आप मुझे बता सकते हो व्हाट इज preposition और व्हाट इज द पोजीशन shown in this sentence. The shoes are below the table. It is below the table. कहाँ रखे हैं? टेबल के नीचे. Next, the cat jumped over the box. Over is the word which is showing the position. Get into the car quickly before we are late to school. Into is the word which is showing the position. Okay. अगर अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ the girls are playing under the tree. They are playing. Where they are playing? Under. Under where? Tree. So under is a word which is showing the position of the girls. I hope you all are getting my point. Preposition is a word which shows the position. Next is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction joins words, sentences, phrases, ideas. Examples: and, or, but, because, still, etc. Conjunction is a word which joins two sentences or two phrases. Okay, we will see. Rahul and Raja are brothers. Okay, Rahul and Raja. These are two different sentences which is combined by one word, and that word is and. Okay, so here and will be your conjunction. Next, Neha got first rank. ये एक हो गया. Because she worked hard. देखो, Neha got first rank. If you will remove because, you can see that these are two sentences. She worked hard. Okay, but I have to merge them. That's why I put because in between, and it becomes Neha got first rank because she worked hard. Fine. It is easy to understand and easy to identify, children. Don't worry. Next example. I like to watch the television and eat popcorn. See, and is most probably used. And, but, because, whereas, okay, whose, all such. Next one. My friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. So here whereas will be the conjunction. I hope you all are understanding. Now we'll move to the last part of speech, that is interjection. This is also very easy to identify, children. बहुत आसानी से समझ में आ जाता है ये. Expresses a strong emotion. It expresses the strong emotion. Yes, wow, ouch, hooray, oh no, oh yes, all this sudden expression which comes suddenly only. क्योंकि क्या हो जाता है, कभी कभी शॉक में या सरप्राइज में इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशन अपने आप आ जाते हैं. वी डोंट प्रिडिक्ट दिस कि हम ये बोलने वाले, अचानक हो जाता है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरजेक्शन, एंड इंटरजेक्शन ऑलवेज कम्स अलॉन्ग विथ द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई. एग्जाम्पल, वाओ आई गॉट 90% मार्क्स. ऑब्वियसली अगर किसी को भी 90% मार्क मिलेंगे तो वाओ के और भी बहुत सारे एक्सप्रेशंस आ जाएंगे. वाओ, येस, आई कांट बिलीव दिस, oh my god. Any expression can come when you are getting 90% marks. So this is those surprisingly shock. This is surprise, shock and excitement. So your interjection this is interjection, sorry. Next example, wow, the view is amazing. Hey, I haven't seen you in a long time. Oh no, I left my bag at home. Okay? Oh shit, I forgot my umbrella and it's raining. Understood, children? These are all examples of interjection. कभी भी exclamation के बाद आता है. इसमें for it is depend on the situation. Happy वाले भी होते हैं, sad वाले भी होते हैं. All this comes in the interjection. I hope you all have understood all 8 parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, interjection, conjunction. Okay, so children, please go through the video properly, watch it carefully, and if you have any query, any difficulty in this, then I'll take this again, no problem with that. and inshallah in the next lecture we will learn each and every part of speech in detail. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much.